it's me, Kaia. So I'm unboxing this Calico Creator Switch. It comes with a... So we're going to unbox it. First, pull out the sides. Ooh. Okay, so I unboxed it, and first we got a objects. We're gonna unbox that later. So we got the dresser here, and we can open the drawer like that, and then we can put it back. Next, we got a little baby milk bottle. Then we got two books. And then we got a camera, and we got a lamp. So we're done setting it up, so bye.